about properties of light and on what property does this periscope work. One thing we have learned is light is what? A form of energy. Energy is ability to do work. Agreed? Light enables us to
See the objects.
Fine. And is light particularly visible?
No, ma'am.
Can we see light directly?
No.
We get to know about light when?
When it
When it falls on an
object.
and that object is going to bounce it back. It is the reflected light that we are able to see. Agree? What are the properties of light?
Light.
One is it's a form of energy.
When it travels in a straight line.
It travels in a straight line. Ability of light to travel in a straight line is called what?
Rectilinear propagation.
Rectilinear propagation of light. Now, when you talk about rectilinear propagation of light, we come to know that light is always going to travel straight. If I want to see an object, light should fall over it and then should be bounced back. Clear? Today we are going to look at this particular instrument. We call it as periscope. It makes us see the objects. But there is a problem. There is a difference actually. You are able to see the object which is there, but you would be able to observe it here. How? Because if light is traveling in the straight line, I should be able to see that part. But I would be able to see the upper part also here.
Because light is
One child please, what is present inside?
A mirror.
What does a mirror do?
Reflects light.
Reflects light. Reflection is what?
Bouncing
Bouncing back. So if I have a mirror here, assume I have a mirror here, it will reflect. But the light would be coming from where?
And from the top.
Is there a mirror again?
Yes.
That means we have in a periscope two mirrors. One mirror there on top, which would be receiving the light coming from that area, would be reflecting it back, and it would be reached by or received by this particular mirror, and this mirror is again going to reflect it. Would you like to see?
Yes.
Just come and sit. Observe it. Are you able to see? No? Again, try. Somewhere? Little part? Maybe it is because of the darkness? Completely dark. Okay. Gauri, you try. See it at some angle. Are you able to see? Arrange it. Little light is visible. It is just maybe because of this cloudiness that we have.
Little light is visible.
Light is okay, but are you able to see some structure?
Some.
Which one? That top part? Okay. No? Anudya? Avantika. Arrange it again. No, if you are not able to see it from one angle, see it. In which angle you are able to see? Any direction? Aditya? How come one child was able to see and the other was not able to see? Anyways, now you
change the angle.
change it. Somewhere, some part of it. Now let me see. It's completely dark. Whenever we talk about periscope, it is going to basically function on the principle of multiple reflection. Fine. Once you have got reflected there, another reflection will be here, and you will be able to see the object. That means by a reflection process, you have actually bent the light.